Hey boys and girls, so this is your video for page 205, the corrections in your workbook. Um, hey you guys, it was a little confusing here because it asked you to use tiles and red linear units in the directions, and obviously we don't have that stuff at your house. So what we really were hoping you would do is follow the directions from number 1, which was to sketch an array on the grid below and use a red colored pencil to mark the perimeter. Now, obviously, if you don't have a red colored pencil, you could have used another color of your choice. Maybe you even just used a pen. That's totally fine. So here on number 1, they're really looking for you to design different ways to set up tables so that the Rodney Rabbit and his 17 friends could fit to play board games. So there were a lot of different choices on this one. I do want to remind you, you need to fill out number 2 to match what you did up here for number 1. And also a reminder that area, we get the area when we multiply length times width. Okay, so that's how they got the 8 here. They did 1 times 8 to get 18. So I'm going to just go ahead and draw one example. I can't really see your papers, unfortunately. So hopefully my example will help you understand if you completed this worksheet correctly. So here we go. So here I went ahead and drew out a shape that I thought would work out to fit all of the friends so 18 players could sit at the same table. So here I drew a 2 by 7 table, 2 meaning the width of the table, 1, 2, and 7 meaning the length of the table, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So obviously in a rectangle, this side is the same as this side. So we have 2 on each side, and this side is the same as that. So 7 on each side. And let's go ahead and check our work for the perimeter. So you have a choice. You can either add 2 plus 2 plus 7 plus 7, or you can just count the sides. It's up to you. That's what I'm going to do just to make sure I'm right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So I have enough spaces at this table for all the friends to sit. So now I get to find out our perimeter and our area. So I wrote down here 2 for the width and 7 for the length. Remember, you guys, for perimeter, we add up the lengths of all the sides, the measurements of all the sides, rather. So 2 and 2 is 4, and 7 and 7 is 14. So I did 4 plus 14 to get 18. And then the area, again, it's length times width. So 2 times 7 is 14. So this is just one of the examples of what you might have done here on this page. I'm sure you might have had a few different answers here. So hopefully my answer helps guide you to see if your other drawings are correct. Okay, guys, good job today.